I am Jasmine A. Elabra, 18 years old, currently live in Apalit, Torredeblanca, Pampanga. I am first year college student. My course is Bachelor of Elementary Education at Bataan Peninsula State University, Dinalupihan Campus. My hobbies are singing, dancing, sports like volleyball.
I'm Elijah Di Sabino, 18 years old. I'm currently live at San Roque, Florida Blanca, Pampanga. I'm a first-year college student. My course is Bachelor of Elementary Education at Bataan Peninsula State University, Dinalupihan Campus. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and posters, and some drawings. Hi, Jazz.
Hello, Jack.
Can I join with you?
Yes, of course.
By the way, do you think we will pass on exam?
If we truly study, I believe we can pass the exam.
But you're right. But you think we will pass on math even if we review?
I don't imagine anyone will pass.
You're right.
Are you done?
Yes.
I'm hungry.
Let's go to the canteen.
Let's go.